Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Vidhi, and in today's video we're gonna be creating this beautiful monochromatic look. And if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching, and before that don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. So let's get started. So first things first, my skin is already moisturized and now I'm going to move towards the priming, and for primer I'm using the Wet n Wild Primer Serum. It helps to keep your base intact in the long run, so that if you're wearing makeup for the whole day, it keeps your base very intact. Massaging it all over the face so that it's evenly spreaded out. All the products will be linking down in the description box below, so you can check them out. Next up, I'm taking the primer from Nykaa because the serum that I used earlier does not fill in the pores. So to fill them up, I'm using the primer, just pushing it into my skin. And I'm also doing my brows and also coloring up my lips so that we can begin with eye makeup. Now for my eyes, using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette over here and taking the orange shade as my transition and blending the shade so that it get melted into my skin very well. Just taking my brush into windshield motions and also circular motions and going with very light hand, not moving the brush very vigorously, just going in very light handed. And now I'm taking the red shade and placing it all over my lid and blending it with the transition shade so that it looks very much blended all over. The palette I'm using is a very affordable with good pigments. So if you wanna go for an affordable palette, you can go for this one. This is the Rose in the Air Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Now I'm taking this brown shade and placing it into the inner outer corners of my eyes to deepen up the color and intensify the look. And mixing it all over with all the colors that I've earlier put in. Moving on to foundations, I'm using two foundations and mixing them up and placing it all over my face. All the description will be given into the bottom bar, you can check them out. The shades will also be given out. So now just placing it all over the face with the help of a brush, and also don't forget to apply it on your neck with the help of a beauty blender. Now blending it out. Next we are going to conceal the face. For that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal and using it into the inner and outer corners of my eyes and the areas that I want to highlight, and I'm going to blend it again. I'm going to blend my eyes at the very end so that it got settled into the under eye, so that it gives me a very good coverage. Now moving towards the eyes, with the help of a brush I'm just mixing up all the areas of my eyes and then blending it up. And now setting up my face with the setting powder to stop my foundation to foundation and concealer to crease it up, not using into very excessive amount, just tapping it out and really using very dusted off manner. So just tapping it on my face and not rubbing the brush to move my foundation. Going it with very light hand. Up next, I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm using the mix. I'm going to mix the primer serum to the contour to make it creamy and applying it to sculpt my face, and now to sculpt my face and give it a really structured look. And now blending it the contour to make it look seamless. Make sure you blend it well. Next up, I'm taking a bronzer from Rimmel and just placing it all over my cheekbones and taking it in the upward direction to make it my face looks more lifted up. Just going on into very circular motions and going into upward direction, and also bronzing up my jawlines as well to add to a color to my face. And also just bronzing up my forehead as well. Going with a very lighted amount. Now for my blush, I'm using the Morphe palette and taking this pinky shade over here. I'm gonna just put the blush and again going into upward direction and circular motion to make my face look more lifted up. And you can see that my face looks a little lifted up, and using very small, a little amount of it. For finishing up the eyes, again taking my transition shade and applying it into the lower lash line to smoke it out and joining it towards the upward. Next, taking the red shade and deepening up the lower lash line to make it more smoked out, and also again joining it towards the upward. I have applied the liner, and now I'm applying mascara, taking the Kiko Milano lengthening mascara. Guys, I have applied the liner behind the camera because it took so much time for me to actually apply a liner in a really corrected way. So now highlighting, for highlighting I'm taking the Makeup Revolution palette, just highlighting my brow bones and my nose and inner corners of my eyes to complete the look finally. Taking the peachy shade from that palette. And this is the final look I came up with. If you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this look and do you want to try it, and if you're going to try it then do tag me in this, and bye bye, take care till then.